Today I am reviewing these electric cordless scissors. These are pretty cool. It works on up to 6mm soft leather, 3mm cloth carpet, 6mm corrugated paper board, cardboard, 8mm cotton fabric, 0.4mm tin aluminum. Comes with carrying bag. It has a little charger. You can see it right here. This is with the hardened steel bit, not the blunt one. So this one cuts a little, this is the sharp bit, cuts a little more. You can see it moving. Very light, very ergonomic. Has a little pull, thing right here to hang it from. There's your charge port back here. Fits really nice in your hand. And I got these to help me cut up some cardboard, and it just rips. Look at that. Just rips right through it. It's pretty amazing. Super useful for my needs. You could also use this for crafts, carpet. You're gonna want to use these. Also comes with this number 2, this blunt bit. If you're just doing a little more precision work, they're super easy to change. Has a locking head on it. Right here, you see the motor is ventilated. You just unlock this head, pull it off, push it back down. That's how easy it is. It'll cut right through a bunch of cardboard. Big one up right here. Watch this. It just cuts right. It'll just cut through this whole thing. Look at that. Cuts right through it, no problem. Super good product, very useful. Easy to hold, easy to handle, very ergonomic. Shows you your battery level up here. You can see I think I'm a yellow now. I was at a green earlier, but I've been using a lot of this. Super thankful for them sending me this product to review, and I hope that this video helps you with your buying decision.